I welcome you all on my channel Switch It. Please do subscribe, like, and share the channel. Today we are going to learn a poem from Standard 6th book Honeysuckle, subject English. Previously we completed lesson number 7, lesson number 8, a game of chance, where we have seen the story about a small boy liked you, Rashid, and the lucky shop. So in that lesson we have seen about different occupations related to that. A wonderful poem named Vocation, written by Rabindranath Tagore. We all know that multi-talented personality. So written by him about different professions, how a small boy thinks about the other profession. So let us learn the poem and it will be a great fun. Do watch the whole video. Poem Vocation. On your way to school or market, you see many people at work in pairs. Discuss what you have noticed, then read this poem. You may read it aloud with a partner if you like. While going to school, in olden days, people used to go to school by walking or by bicycle. Nowadays, parents have the child to reach the school or school buses are there. So while coming to school, have you ever noticed different people who are doing work? Some may be shopkeepers, some may be selling something on the road or other work. So discuss with your partner and find out who likes what. Let us see the poem. When the gong sounds in 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. Here the poet tells us that when it is 10 o'clock, when the gong sound means the bell sound from the clock of 10, when it happens, I start my journey towards the school through his lane. Every day I meet a hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. In the midway he finds a hawker daily who sells his bangles. बैंगल्स यानी चूड़ियाँ जो गर्ल्स हाथ में पहनती है वो बैंगल्स, क्रिस्टल यानी कि ग्लास. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come. What the poet observes, that when a hawker goes to the work, there is no boundaries to restrict him. There is nothing to hurry him on. मीन्स उनको कोई जल्दी नहीं करनी होती जैसे स्टूडेंट को करनी होती है स्कूल में जाने के लिए. पेरेंट्स, उनकी मम्मी उन्हें हेल्प करती है सारी चीज़ें पैक करने में, और कभी लेट हो जाए तो उसे हरी अप करने के लिए भी कहती है. देयर इज़ नो रोड ही मस्ट टेक. देयर इज़ नो फिक्स्ड रोड, यहाँ से यहीं जाना है. वेन एवर ही वॉन्ट्स, वॉट एवर वेज ही कैन गो. नो प्लेस ही मस्ट गो टू, कोई ऐसी फिक्स जगह नहीं कि यहीं जाना है. नो टाइम व्हेन ही मस्ट कम होम, घर कब आना है उसका कोई भी फिक्स टाइम नहीं है. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट द स्मॉल चाइल्ड लाइक्स. विल कंपेयर द लाइफ ऑफ all other occupations and vocations performed by people with a student and finds out what is better. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the soil. While going to the school he observes or sees a hawker. While coming back to home from school, the small child observes a gardener from the gate of one of the houses. The gardener was digging the soil. Generally, we know that what is the work of a gardener. Gardener who gives water to the plant, who prepares the soil of the garden. So he has to dig out the soil. उसे ज़मीन कई बार खोदनी भी होती है नए प्लांट्स लगाने के लिए. तो ये चीज़ें वो बच्चा देखता है और ऑब्ज़र्व करता है. He does what he likes with his pad. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. What the small child likes about the gardener. He does what he likes with his pad. Spade, it is a weapon to dig out the soil. So he tells that whatever he wants to do with its spade, nobody interrupts the gardener. He soils his cloth with dust while digging the soil, while planting new plants or saplings. At that time, many times the cloth of a gardener gets dirty with the muddy soil. At that time also nobody says anything to him. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. If the gardener is working in the afternoon time, nobody yells at him saying that come in the house, why are you out in the sun? You may get fever or you may get ill. If it is raining, then also the gardener works and nobody disturbs gardener saying that you will get illness or something. So how the life is good of a farmer. I wish I were a gardener digging away the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So the poet or the small boy wants to be a gardener, that nobody interrupts him while playing in the soil, getting dirty, playing in the afternoon or in the rainy season. How good the life of a gardener. Just as he gets back in the evening, my mother sends me to bed. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. It tells that whenever it is dark, whenever it is 8 or 9 p.m., my mother sends me to the bed saying that you must sleep now. While going to the bed, he observes a watchman through his open window, and the watchman moves here or there without any interruption or disturbance. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamps stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. Now the observation of a small child that the lane, the street, is dark and lonely. There is nobody on the street, so the watchman is alone. It is pretty dark out there, and the street lamp stands. और जो पोल्स होते हैं लाइट के, वो डिस्क्राइब किए है जैसे कि कोई एक जाइंट खड़ा हो एक आँख के साथ. डरावना ऐसा सीन वो देखते हैं. द वॉचमैन स्विंग्स हिज lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. लालटेन यानी कि दिया लेके पूरी रात यहाँ वहाँ घूमता रहता है. उसके साथ सिर्फ अपनी शैडो होती है. कोई इसे डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता, कभी उसे कोई जल्दी सोने को नहीं कहता. सो द स्मॉल बॉय वांट्स टू बिकम अ वॉचमैन. इट इज़ रिटन बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. टू गाइड अस एज अ स्टूडेंट, what should we do? As a student, we should not be bothered by the guidance and disturbance of our elders. We are fortunate that we have parents, our brothers, sisters, our teachers who shows us the right path. और ये चीज़ हमेशा याद रखना कि during the student life. If you get more and more interest in studying, then you will get good marks, good percentage. और यही सिलसिला अगर आप 12th तक, कॉलेज तक करोगे अच्छी पढ़ाई से, अच्छे मार्क्स लाना, डेफिनेटली यू विल बिकम अ गुड skilled person. You might be a doctor, engineer, advocate and many other professions. आप खुद का एक बिजनेस भी सेटअप कर सकते हो. एक चीज़ जो यहाँ पे बच्चा नहीं जानता वो कि वॉचमैन, गार्डनर, हॉकर वो खुद से अपनी लाइफ तो जी सकते हैं पर वो उतने पैसे नहीं कमा सकते. एंड वी ऑल नो दैट टू लिव हैप्पी लाइफ वी नीड मनी. सो इफ़ यू स्टडी वेल, get good job, good amount of money will bring lots of happiness to your life. So thank you very much for watching the whole video. I hope you must have understood the poem, and do take care of yourself and have a good day. Thank you very much.